Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this baby blanket pattern. It's pretty good and so easy, this pattern. Just multiple 10 and plus 2. So I hope you will love this pattern. So easy, incredible pattern. So I hope you will love it. So let's start. So this pattern multiple 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So whatever size you can just. So I have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I'm gonna make small pattern like 30. I'm gonna plus 2. Okay, then second one, make single crochet, then make chain 1, then skip 4, 1 2 3 4, fifth one, yarn over, make in fifth, double crochet to make fun, double crochet, 3 double crochet, then chain 2, same stitch, 3 more double crochet, 2 3, chain 1, so skip 4, 1 1 2 3 4, in fifth make single crochet. Okay, single, make chain 1, yarn over, 1 2 3 4, in fifth make again fan, 1 2 3, chain 2, 3 more double crochet, chain 1, then 1 2 3 4, fifth single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, 1 2 3 4, fifth make fan, and fifth 2 3, chain 2, 3, chain 1. So at the end, 1 2 3 4, fifth last one, make single crochet. Okay, like this. Make chain 3, so yarn over, make 3 more double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 3. So include this chain 3, then 4. So make chain 1, make here single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, where I made single crochet, here I'm gonna make the fan, 1 2 3, then chain 2, 1 2 3, chain 1, make single crochet here, chain 1, again make one here, 3 double crochet, then chain 2, same stitch, 3 more, 1 2 3, chain 1, make here single crochet, chain 1, make here, where is the single crochet, make 3 double crochet there, then one more, last one, 2 3, then 4, you have to make 4, so like this. Chain 1, this time I'm gonna make here in one row, this pattern is in one row, but one row I have to make this 3 double crochet, but one time in one row just make here single crochet, then chain 1, yarn over where I made single crochet, again top of this I'm gonna make shell, like this, chain 2, chain 1, make here single crochet, chain 1, yarn over here at top of this and single crochet, again make shell, 1 2 3 double crochet, chain 2, more 3 double crochet there, same stitch, chain 1, here single crochet, chain 1, again here top of here shell, chain 2, same stitch, 1 2 3, so chain 1 to make at the end single crochet, okay, then chain 3, I'm gonna turn my work, here in the single crochet 3 more double crochet, 1 2 3, so include this chain 3, I have 4, chain 1, make here single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, make here shell again, 1 2 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, make single crochet, chain 1, again make shell here in the single crochet, three double crochet, chain 2, single crochet, one chain and single crochet, one chain, so yarn over here, top of this single crochet, 1, 2, 3, then 4, single crochet, 1, so make single crochet, chain 1, chain 1, then make shell here, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, make here single crochet, chain 1, again shell, top of here seeing the single crochet, chain 2, 3 more double crochet, chain 1, wait, then single crochet, wait, don't stuck, chain 1, again top of this shell, chain 2, 3 more double crochet, same stitch, chain 1, then single crochet at the end, top of this, chain 3, chain 3, wait, no, chain 1, this time, chain 1, then make single crochet, then chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, then make shell here, top of this. So remember, one time in one row you have to make 3, 4, include this chain 3, make chain 3, then 3 more double crochet, then one row you have to make just single crochet, chain 1, make single crochet, then make chain 1, then make single crochet in the top of this, in the fan, in the shell. So I'm gonna continue like this pattern. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my pattern in here. You can see this baby blanket pattern is so pretty and easy. You can see the edges. I hope you will like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment.